beginning of this session, I told you about customized GPTs. Yeah? So if you're a student, if you're in finance, if you're in content creation, if you're in digital marketing, if you're in software development, you can come here now to find something that is more tailored to your need. I think this is the one opportunity that Africans are looking for to up their game. Yeah, to up their game, to compete on a global level. This is the only thing that gives us a chance. Our government is never going to let us. The environment out there is never going to let us. The schools that we're learning from don't have up-to-date information. This is the only thing that, balances the scale and says, okay, you know what? You have an equal fighting opportunity with people in London attending Oxford.